Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best crankbait is probably one of the most versatile fishing lures available, attracting a wide range of fish species with its lifelike swimming action and vibrant colors. Whether you are a seasoned pro or just starting your fishing journey, understanding how to select and use the right crankbait can significantly improve your angling success, leading to more memorable catches and exciting fishing experiences. This video will guide you through the process of choosing the perfect crankbait for your needs, covering key factors such as diving depth, lure size, and color patterns. Number 5. Fishing Lures Kit. It features a precisely engineered shape, stereo 3D fisheye and lifelike scale patterns. The genuine plating creates a brilliant flash, attracting fish and making them strike. It works great in both saltwater and freshwater, functioning well in all water layers. This kit is perfect for various fishing environments, from oceans to lakes and rivers. This set includes crankbaits, VIBs, topwater lures, plastic worms, jigs, and more. It's a complete assortment for any angler, no matter the season or water type. Made of durable stainless steel and soft plastic, it's not easy to deform and is highly resistant to corrosion. These lures are built to last. The included plastic tackle box is compact and easy to carry, allowing you to have exactly what you need, anytime, anywhere. What we like. It features lifelike designs and a wide variety of lures. This comprehensive kit is perfect for any angler, regardless of experience level or preferred fishing spot. If you're looking for a complete setup to tackle various fishing scenarios, this is the one for you. What people say. Has a very nice variety of lures. Bright colors and the lures look to be of good quality. I am sure that they will function as they should. I like the way it looks and the colors were nice too. They were easy to use and the durability and floatability was great. I enjoyed having so many options to choose from. Number 4. Bass Fishing Crankbaits. It's time to upgrade your fishing game. These crankbaits are designed to attract a wide variety of fish, making your next fishing trip a success. Whether you're fishing in shallow or deep waters, we have the perfect crankbait for you. Choose the depth that matches your fishing spot for optimal results. These lures feature brilliant colors and a lifelike swimming action that will entice even the most cautious fish. They're perfect for both saltwater and freshwater fishing. The internal metal ball helps with casting distance and creates an enticing sound that attracts fish. You'll be able to cover more water and increase your chances of a catch. These crankbaits are effective in various locations, from rocky banks to grass beds. They're incredibly versatile and easy to use, perfect for anglers of all skill levels. Casting and cranking is simple, but mastering the technique will improve your results. Experiment with different retrieves and depths to find what works best. What we like. It offers both shallow and deep diving options, and comes in a range of colors to attract various fish. Its ease of use makes it ideal for beginners. If you are new to crankbaits or want a versatile lure that's simple to use, this is a great choice. What people say. They look well made, nice colors, sturdy hooks. Fish absolutely killed these baits on a cold day in the Delta, hooked around 21. The hooks are very sharp, making it easy to hook set. Other than that one issue, the lure works fine and has pretty good action. Number 3. Fishing Lures Kit. Get ready to experience the thrill of the catch. This kit has everything you need for a successful fishing trip, whether you're in saltwater or freshwater. It includes a mix of minnows, poppers, and crankbaits, something for every type of fish. Each lure is designed to attract and hook your target. They're built to last, with durable materials and sharp, reliable hooks. You can trust them to perform even in the toughest conditions. Whether you're a seasoned angler or just starting out, this kit is perfect for you. It's easy to use and incredibly effective. Target trout, bass, salmon, and more. This versatile kit is suitable for various fish species in both freshwater and saltwater environments. With this complete kit, you'll have everything you need to enjoy a fantastic fishing experience. Get yours today and start reeling in the big ones. What we like. This kit offers a mix of different lure types, all with hooks already attached. It's perfect for those who want variety in their tackle box. If you like to experiment with different lures and want a convenient option, this kit is for you. What people say. Do amazing in the water, easy to use, move like a high-dollar bait would, very good quality, look great, paint makes them look real life, hooks are very sharp and strong. The action in the water was great and they held up perfectly. The treble hooks are beyond sharp on these lures. Caught several fish with the wide assortment of lures. Number 2. Baikalbass Fishing Lures Kit. This kit offers incredible value with a variety of lures to suit any fishing situation. You'll find everything you need to get started, all in one convenient set. It's made from high-quality, eco-friendly materials. The lifelike design and shimmering effect will attract even the most discerning fish. The kit includes a selection of lures in various sizes and colors. This allows you to adapt your approach depending on the type of fish and the water conditions. Whether you're a seasoned angler or just starting out, this kit has something for you. It's easy to use and effective, making it perfect for beginners and experts alike. Looking for a gift for the fishing enthusiast in your life? This kit makes a thoughtful and practical present that they're sure to appreciate. It's affordable and impressive. We stand behind our products and are committed to providing you with the best possible fishing experience. We hope you enjoy using this kit. What we like. This set provides a great variety of lures at an affordable price, and they're made of high-quality materials. The attractive design and colors are sure to attract fish. If you are on a budget but don't want to compromise on quality, this is the best option for you. What people say. Caught quite a few fish on the first lure I tried, they all seem to be very good quality. Caught about 15 bass on one lure today and it held up great. The lures has great variation between floating and sinking, colors, and shapes that have already produced catching fish. These lures are great for casting or trolling. The quality is excellent. Number 1. Hard Fishing Lures Bait Set. It features 2 sharp hooks and brightly colored, lifelike skin for a realistic swimming action. The 3D eyes make it look incredibly lifelike, helping you attract larger fish. The extended diving lip allows it to reach depths of 10 feet or more during casting and retrieval. This makes it perfect for targeting fish in deeper waters. Built-in metal gravity balls enable long, accurate casts and maintain postural stability. They also create noise and commotion to attract fish. It's effective for catching a variety of predator fish, including perch, crappie, walleye, pike, and trout. It's suitable for various fishing environments, from streams to oceans. Each lure weighs 0.48 ounces and measures 5.6 inches long. It has 2 strong treble hooks and highly detailed 3D eyes for added realism. What we like. It boasts a premium design with lifelike details and a deep diving lip, allowing you to reach deeper waters. The built-in gravity ball ensures long casts. If you are targeting deeper dwelling fish and value premium quality, this lure is for you. What people say. The hooks are sharp and action is good. Very happy with the quality and colors. A large quantity of these and they are made well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.